Hello guys! Today ay kailangan natin ma-survive si Tung 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 sa horse story at sasamahan tayo ni Yuki ngayon guys. Samahan nyo rin kami maglaro. Let's go! So ngayon kailangan natin pumunta dito. Come on, dito tayo. Ayan, start na tayo guys. Si Chain. Guys, the Tung Tungs have escaped. Help me collect them all so we can live. Kailangan natin makollect lahat ng tung-tung-tung sahur guys para makaalis tayo at makasurvive. You all can come over my house after this to hang out. Find all the tungs. Okay. Okay, ready na tayo. Ayan, ang dami nila guys. Yan, tulong-tulong tayo mahanap yung lahat ng tung-tung. There you are. 2, 3. Nakailan na kayo? We found all the tungs! Let's go over to my place now. So, saan yung place niya? Dito yata yun, guys. Si Tung Tung lumabas sa parang balon. Welcome to my home, friends. We should eat after that search. Oo nga naman, nakakagutom, guys. What do you wanna eat? So, pipili tayo ng food dito, guys. Vote for food. Okay. Hamburger. Pinili ko, guys. Hamburger. Ano rin kaya pinili nila? Cheeseburger. Looks like cheeseburgers win. Panalo kami, guys. Come to the kitchen. Let's eat. So, parang si Chain, yung leader natin, guys. Kailangan daw natin pumunta sa kitchen. Let's go to the kitchen. Yan, kakain na tayo dito ng cheeseburger, guys.
Can I have cheeseburger?
Eat up.
Cheeseburger, please. Cheeseburger.
Can I have cheeseburger, please? Scary movie time. Lo, dumilim na. Scary movie daw. Bug the Bunny. The newest movie out right now, Tung's Revenge. Okay, someone saying okay. Tapos merong countdown, so kailangan ata naming umupo dito. At manood ng scary movie. So, ano mangyayari dito, guys? Ayan na! Bug the Bunny, the movie. I am Tung Tung. I have terrible news. Ano yun? Starting today, I will be banning Robloxians until I'm the last alive. Hala, ibaba niya daw tayo guys. Lahat ng mga naglalaro ng Roblox. If you think this movie is a joke, let me show you. Pick a friend of yours. Tapos, kailangan daw namin pumili ng kaibigan namin, guys. So, do you wanna vote out? Hala, ito na lang. Sorry na. Sino kaya yun? No, don't vote me.
Why?
I'll be out. Congrats, Science React Creator. You have been chosen to get banned. Sorry na. Hala, guys, naban siya. Hello, wawa naman. No, Tung Tung! Now, you are all next. No, he's real. Run! Hala, we need to run, guys. Kailangan natin tumakbo. Lumabas siya galing sa movie. Hala, takbo, takbo, takbo. You need to run, Yuki. Tago, tago. You need to run. Kailangan natin tumakbo. Ala, yun siya guys. Ay, hinahabol siya, oh. Huwag tayo dyan.
What's up, Tung Tung? You wanna be my friend?
Akala ko ba? Ay, ano yun? Akala ba namin movie lang? Movie time? Sabay lumabas naman ng totoo yun?
I am sleeping.
Ayun siya, guys. Ang dami niyang hinahabol. Tapos biglang lumalabas yung mukha niya.
No, don't go to me. I'm at the bedroom.
Ala, yun na siya, guys!
No, bad boy, ha?
Kailangan lang natin tumakbo, magtago hanggang sa ma-survive natin to. Hanggang kailan kaya siya dito? No.
Bad boy, ha?
Bigla na lang siyang sumulpot.
Tung tung bad boy ha.
Tago tayo sa kitchen, guys. Tago tayo sa table. Ayan, mukhang safe naman dito sa kitchen. Dito kayo. Haha, that's just a little taste of what's to come.
What the heck?
Grabe, tawa pa siya ng tawa. Mukhang tuwang-tuwa pa siya. If you wish to find me, look for the first clue in the forest. Kailangan na naman natin pumunta sa forest. See you soon!
Smiley face.
Tung Tung is evil. We need to find him and stop him from destroying Roblox. Tama si Chain. He said there would be a clue in the forest. Let's go there.
Forest.
Tama. Kailangan lang natin sundin yung leader natin, guys. Just follow the leader. Okay, Tung Tung said we should find a clue in the forest. Let's walk until we find something. Oo, sabi ni Chain, kailangan lang daw natin hanapin. Sundin lang natin to, guys. May mga clue dito. Ayan, yung leader natin.
Can I
Follow the leader. Ayun, there's a cabin. The clue has to be in there. Let's go inside. Ayan, kailangan natin pumasok dun, guys. Sa maliit na bahay. Sa cabin. So, meron na namang countdown. Kailangan lang namin makuha yung clue. Umakyat ako dito, guys. Start searching for a clue about Tung Tung.
Okay.
Parang ang blanco naman dito, guys. Find a clue. Ano meron dito? Clue 1, I am not alone. You find the first clue. May nakahanap na ng first clue. So, magte-teleport lang tayo, guys. Are we trapped in a hole?
Yes.
Na-trap tayo? Look, the roof is open. We need to climb out. So, wala naman kahit ano, guys. Find a secret lever.
Found it.
We found it. Now what? Sino naka-found?
Ako.
The secret lever?
Yeah. It was so easy.
Ayun, meron. Lumabas na. Okay, we have stairs now. Let's climb up. Ayan, may timer, guys. Kailangan natin umakyat. Yan, ay. Ayan, kailangan lang natin tumalon ng tumalon. Just be careful. Yan. May 20 plus seconds pa tayo, guys.
I will die.
Go up. Andito na kami. Ayan, may 10 seconds pa. Come on, go. Go. Sa other members, kaya. May nalaglag doon. Phew, we escaped. Let's go. See what's out there. Follow me. Okay, follow you. Saan tayo papunta? Nandito kami sa parang sementeryo, guys. Maghahanap na naman kami ng clue. Kailangan lang namin mag-search and find clue number 2. Okay, guys, samahan nyo kami mag-find ng clue about Tung Tung. Ano naman kaya next na gagawin? Ito, meron dito. Na-find niya na. You are about to fight. You found the second clue. Prepare for battle. Mag-away-away daw kami. May battle daw, guys. Who are we fighting? Long intense ng sounds, They are here. Fight! Hello, lapit naman ni Tung Tung. Nilabas ko na yung bat namin para malabanan. Sino kakalabanin namin? Hello, si Tung Tung. No, Tung Tung. No. Konti na lang yung green ko. Ay! Ala. Parang ang lalakas naman ng Tung Tung. Chain, tulungan mo kami. Nahabol ako. Kailangan ko to kalabanan, guys. No, dito ka. Ayan. No. Parang ang lakas naman nila. No. Go. Ayun, natalo ko siya, guys. Nasaan yung iba? Kawawa naman yung ibang member natin. Asa na? Ayun, yung isa. Kailangan natin matalo to, guys. Kaya natin yan. Hey, Tung Tung. No! Wait, talon lang ako. Good job, team. We defeated Tung Tung's friends. Hindi pala mismo si Tung Tung yun. Mga friend lang daw ni Tung Tung yun. We are getting closer. Let's go find Tung Tung. It's Chung Chung's headquarters. There's a third clue. Pang third clue na kami, guys. Ano kaya meron dito? You have 2 choices ahead of you. You found the third clue. Agad. There are 2 holes. We have to choose one. Okay, pipili daw tayo dito sa dalawang holes. Alin kaya dito, guys? Ang tamang hole. So, ito na lang. Dito sa kaliwa ko, guys. Dito ako napunta. Ako na lang ba mag-isa? Hello, mukhang ako na lang yung nakasurvive, guys. At si Chain. Oh, Obi, na merong lava, guys. Sa tingin ko, kailangan lang natin ditong mag-Obi. Well, we have no choice but to cross the lava. Oo nga, wala namang choice eh. At gumagalaw, guys. Ala, merong countdown. Sige, kaya. Ano ba yan? Ang hirap. Okay, nandito na tayo ulit sa lava, guys. We have no choice but to go to the lava. Yun! Uy! Go, go, go. Kaya to, kaya. Ah! God. Ito na siya, guys. Ito na si Chung 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 Sahur, the real one. Okay. Haharapin na namin siya, guys, para hindi niya guluhin ang ating Roblox. You guys really think you can save Roblox from me? Of course, Chung Chung Chung. Yes, Chung Chung, you are going down. Well, you must defeat me if you want to be free. Kaya nga kami nandito eh. That's why we're here, Chung Chung. Lolo. Iwas tayo dyan, guys. Ala! Ayan. Come on, Chung Chung. Ito na daw si Chung Chung, boss. Tapos papaluin ko lang siya neto. Yeah! No, Chung Chung. No. Ano ba yung pula-pula na yun? No. Yan. Konti na lang, guys. Konti na lang. Konti pa. Yan. Paluin natin siya. Nababawasan yung health niya dito, guys. Need to save the Roblox, guys. Come on, Chung Chung. Guys, konting-konti na lang yung health ni Boss Chung Chung. Kaya natin to. Konting palo na lang sa kanya. Ayan. Go. Para ma-save natin ng Roblox. Hindi niya tayo mababan. Ayan na, guys. You guys win. Nanalo tayo. I will stop. Just let me go. Let you go? Never. Let me offer some type of deal. If you let me go, I'll stop attacking everyone. Ano sa tingin nyo, guys? What do you want to do? Let Chung go free or trap Chung forever? What do you want? Trap Chung forever?
Yeah.
Let's try. Okay, fine. We will let you go. And ban everyone now. So he will unban everyone. Where are we now?
It's a trick.
Trick ba to, guys? Fools, why would you ever trust me? Hey, we had a deal. Bad trip to si Tungtung. I don't play fair. Goodbye forever. Dinaya tayo ni Tungtung.
Why did you do that?
No!
All those hard work. You just died yourself.
You won the bad ending. Play again for the good ending.
No. That's a waste of time. It's a waste of time.
And that's a trick, guys. Again and again. Nako, Tungtung ha. Kaya yun, guys, at least natapos naman natin, no? At don't forget to subscribe and like the video kasi natapos natin, guys. Sa susunod na video muli, paalam!